Wait, kita salmit ko?
Konti. When your family, when it's Christmas, just leave them and go to us for Christmas. Hold me, baby.
Ow, it kind of hurts.
You look like Shrek. Is this recording?
Yep.
Oh.
Let me pause it muna.
Okay, bigay mo na kay ate yung gift mo, yung box na red.
Hindi to.
Okay.
Oh, tabi kayo, tabi. Okay, ang surprise dyan ay... That's for the both of you. Open, go. Okay, hindi alam ni Rain.
Oh.
Ano nakalagay? Card, ano yung joke lang?
Ay! Tama yung baso mo.
Oh, okay. Okay, one. Okay, go, open. Wow! Is it matching rings?
Yes! Okay, so...
Mine's the bigger one.
So, sabihin niyo muna yung promise niya. Di ba nag-promise kayo dati sa isa't isa? Before umalis si ate? Di ba nag-promise kayo?
What's the problem?
Ate, di ba sabi mo kay ate, mag-promise ka sa akin ate bago pag umalis ka? Di ba? Oh, go. Go.
Promise mo lagi ka childish, ha?
Okay. Okay, promise.
Okay.
This one's mine.
Yung may diamond sa'yo, ate. Yung may diamond. Okay, pakita muna natin, anak ko. Kay ate muna.
Sabi rin, promise na wag ko daw siya anahin. Kalimutan.
Oh, ikaw, anong promise?
Pag daw ako.
Okay.
Okay, so ano promise na rin sa akin?
Ikaw, anak ko.
Yan nga promise ko.
Yung,
Ano?
Be forever childish.
ikaw ako.
You.
O ano promise mo sa akin?
Yan, promise ko sa'yo. Promise ko sa'yo?
Ako promise ko, I won't forget ko. Sabi mo pag nagka-family ako.
Ano promise mo sa akin?
Yun nga, I won't forget you pag nagka-family ako.
Ano
Ano promise mo sa akin?
Promise ring yan, anak, ha?
I
Promise ring nyo yan.
I will always love you.
Wow!
Ay, wala nga.
Okay.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
Okay, ate, may ano ka na? Platinum yan, ate. Hindi siya white gold. Platinum.
Ganda.
Yeah, it's very simple. Tsaka wala bang white. Baka kasabi ko lang kanina.
Game song.
Here, my gift.
Oh! Oh, picture muna, picture muna. Okay, go.
Okay, I'll tell you. Open
Ay,
it.
tell me what.
No, open it first.
May promise ulit?
No.
May promise?
Sabi ko kung ano. No, just pull the, this one.
Okay.
So, I'll tell you, go.
Ang daming binili sa'yo ni ate. What's that?
Go, what?
What? Huwag kang wala yung PS.
Parang alam ko lagayan to ng something.
Yeah, go.
Guitar pick.
Yeah,
Thank you,
lagayan
ate.
ng guitar picks mo in your capo. Look what it says.
You can keep anything here.
Yeah, for a guitar.
I couldn't pick a better bro.
Yan pa lang yan, anak. One pa lang yan.
Picture? Okay,
Nag-umpisa ka pa lang. Ang dami niyan.
Kailangan ko talaga ng pick holder. Ang dami ko nang nawala.
Okay, go next.
Next.
Ito naman ay...
So, mousepad.
Mousepad.
Okay.
In the shape of a vinyl record, ah.
Actually, nakalimutan ko naman ako.
Ito.
Ano yung I forgot. What's that? I don't think you get it.
Ano yan, Rain?
Hair clip.
Rain sa buhok mo?
What do you think that is?
Phone holder.
No.
Okay. Phone holder nga siya.
Pwedeng phone holder.
Phone holder mo talaga yun eh. Yan yung kiniklip sa guitar.
Oo, sa guitar para
So you can read or
Para-
you can take a video.
Ganun ko yan.
Oo.
Yeah. So it is a phone holder, pero for the guitar.
Oh, show anak ko.
Kiniklip sa end.
Dami anak ha. 2 bags yan. Oh. What's that? What's that?
Like bukas ni
Question mark.
It's
Bag?
a drumstick holder.
Oh, yan. Lahat ilalagay mo dyan. Kasi
Ano na to?
Na nalagay sa stand.
sa stand ng drum stand mo.
So under your drum pad. Okay, next. Ano to?
Ano? Yes! Thank you, ate! Necklace!
Yes,
Necklace na may pick!
and guitar.
Thank you, ate!
While you're getting the other one, I'm gonna put it on you.
Dami anak ha.
Packaging ito ha. May ribbon.
Ako
O, pakita mo na yung package yan. Ha?
Yan pa ito na rin. Go rin. Open mo.
Sasatin kayo ito.
Sa'yo na lang.
Siyempre.
Ano yan? Pick.
Pick.
Slide, guitar slide.
Oh.
Ginaganto.
It's there. Oh. Yeah. Okay, ito muna. Then last.
Ito?
Yeah, last
Ito
year.
lang. Yeah.
Dami anak ha. Ang gaganda ng mga regalo sa'yo ni ate. Go, open.
Para sa pintuan ko.
Oh, lahat tingnan mo.
Sign, custom sign.
Oh, Rain
Thank you.
Studio.
Thank you, ate.
Okay. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Pull it out. Pull it out.
Malambot, stuffed toy.
Yeah, go. Look
No.
at it.
Sipo!
Welcome.
Life without my sister.
Wow, may ganun talaga. Oh,
Yun
go.
yung Instagram rin.
Okay.
Ay, alam ko na to.
Ano?
Alam ko na to.
Ano?
Wait.
Baka ang taas ng expectation.
Wala muna.
How many nabuksan mo doon?
Hindi masyado
Oh, go na. Wala muna. Just.
Pencil case.
Go na. Sabihin mo na kung ano.
Na-gitara na yun.
Wow, hanep ha. Ang dami mo ng gitara.
Melodica. Thank you, ate.
Welcome.
Bagong instrument.
Oo nga. Di ba? Rain Studio. Oh, show.
I already wiped.
Oo.
I ko na to dati.
Hindi ko alam paano ito gamitin.
Nasaan yung isa pang kasama niyan, anak?
It's okay. You can play with it. You can learn it.
Oh, go.
Try ko.
Keep it here. You can make...
Ah,
Oh, pwede.
Yay! Merry Christmas!
thank you, ate.
Welcome.
Daming gifts.
My turn.
Okay.
Ate, this is my gift for you.
So, Merry Christmas, ate. Sana lagi mo akong yakapin, question mark. I love
Hindi,
you
kasi
so
nilagyan niya ng emoji yan eh. Yung Lego kasi nag-print niyan.
Love, Rain. Thank you, Rain.
Oh, go picture, anak.
Okay, happy ko.
Sa pilitan na. Okay, go.
Okay. Like mga bon, ano, it's a cherry blossom. Cherry blossom ba?
Basta.
It's a bonsai. But can we think also?
Yes, oo, napapalitan.
Oh, thank you, Rain. May bago akong decor sa room.
Dali mo na yan sa ano mo.
Okay.
Ano pang nandyan?
Oh, may Lululemon ba doon isa?
Oh, yung regalo sa'yo ni Ray, Lululemon.
Here, Lululemon ako namili.
It's the thought that counts. It's the cash pala.
Ito, regalo ni Hanko.
Oo.
Holly ko.
Broke na siya, kaya yan na lang.
Kaya, what's this?
What's this?
Color of the year.
Wow.
It's a vest.
Best. Yeah. Thank you, Annie.
Welcome.
Paano kayo oh my God. Paano kayo magbuhol?
Ako nag-boyot.
Kailangan nyo magbuhol.
Han, hindi sila naging Boy Scout at Girl Scout.
There we go.
Walang Boy Scout, Girl Scout dito.
I did it first?
Ang dami, ha?
Okay, yan first. Yan first.
First, ito ako.
Ano ba yan? Hindi ko nga nag-pulsar.
Okay, good.
Ako nag-rap yun eh.
Oh my God.
Ano ba yan? Kalimutan ko. Ah! Ano ba yan?
Oh!
Ano yan? Ah!
Elbow support.
Look ko, tapos
Ayan na yung request mo, Hana. Yung may
Oh,
strap.
thank you. Aging na. Thank you. Oh, mahal, ha?
mahal nga. 10 hindi na dyan pa lang.
Ang mahal na. Right, alam mo yung gifts nyo?
Wow! Ano to? Aircraft model, aircraft.
Open it
Thank you.
daw.
Check yan na lang.
Tingnan natin.
Okay, good.
Airline to.
Oh,
nice.
Na-check mo yan,
Para
ate?
siyang mabigat. Yeah.
Ganda, ha?
Ganda nga ng
May saan pa dapat?
Yeah.
Show.
Ito, dalam sa'yo.
Yay!
Hey,
Oh,
Mer!
Pax Alpha. Inang si Pax Alpha.
I have no idea. I have no idea.
Yung unang 787.
Binili lang, binili lang.
Okay. Lahat niya sa
Hindi
atin.
sa hindi nga. Oh, decoration.
Oh, ayan.
Wait,
Ooh.
click open the...
I couldn't pick a better dado. Thank you.
Oh,
galing tayo ta.
Nice.
Oo nga, thank
Oh,
you kayo.
oh, baka na.
Nagulat sa'yo? Ay, regalo natin yan.
Anak, regalo with,
Kasama.
with rates ring. Isa pa.
Kasi ay, ay bumuli.
Tagbalot.
Bumili.
Ayan o.
Oh, nice.
Oh.
Okay, so for the next one.
Next na, honey.
And the last.
Okay, sure. It's
O baka may dedication, paiyakin nyo na naman daddy nyo. O, pakita.
Merry and bright Christmas.
Okay.
Thank you. Let me see.
Pwede na.
What's this?
Para lang po.
Oh.
Ang ganda.
Sabi sa'yo, magugustuhan niya yan eh. Yan ba yung kanya ate?
Yes.
Hindi yan yung akin?
Hindi.
Oh, very nice. Gusto ko to. Very nice.
Where's Daddy's phone?
Oo nga, wait.
That's my phone.
Ito, found it. Let's see
palit-
if it fits.
Palitan mo na yung casing, han.
I think,
Special occasion
let's see
ko
if it
Oh, patingin na. Show your phone, honey. Show your phone. Anak, sama kay daddy.
Thank you.
Rain, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. At least kapag nawala, madaling i-dispute.
Wala na? Oh, okay
Wala,
na.
yan.
Merry Christmas, honey.
Christmas ka.
This is my early Christmas gift from my mom and my dad. It's an electric drum pad. These are the pedals for the bass and the hi-hat. Manual. Drumsticks. This is the drum pad. Adapter. I'll assemble the stand first. Ang close-up naman.
Okay, go.
Okay. Regalo ko sa akin. Seiko Prospex. Seiko Prospex. Blue and red color. Ano siya? Solar powered. So hindi kailangan ng battery, hindi rin automatic. Kailangan lang ng ilaw.
Got my early Christmas gift from my children. Okay, this is special. Because it has the Bahrain flag. Thank you, Ate and Rain Rain.
Welcome.
Thank you, ate.
Welcome.
There is a map.
Okay.
Which is
Yeah,
nice.
it says it comes with the map. Can you open it?
It's kind of big.
Oh, okay, nice. You can use it like as a
Yes.
poster. Okay,
Parang sa Red
next.
Dead Redemption. And it's,
What is
I
that?
think, guide.
Thing maybe.
Oh, there's bonus content.
Oh, okay. Okay, next.
Nice. Okay. Thank you.
Okay,
Then like
welcome.
this. Thank you for spending the time.
Okay.
Call of Duty Vanguard.
Okay.
I had the other Call of Duty games, so I just ended up with this.
With the Vanguard.
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna start downloading it na.
Okay.
I haven't kept a new CD in there for so long.
I put Just Dance. Okay.
Thank you.